Alright, so today is 26th of February 2021. Right now the time is 4 o'clock and I'm heading for my home.
Blow up.
So the history has started. Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome to another video. Today we are going to Vijayawada. So this is the day one of my homecoming ride and there will be couple of episodes in the course of this ride. I'm excited and I have lot of work to do and lot more kilometers to cover. So I'll see you once I am on highway and there is a little bit of light to show you guys around. मिल्क एंड सिल्क सिटी कोल्लार. तो अपन कोल्लार पहुंच गए लेकिन अपन को तो कोल्लार घुसना नहीं रही. अपन को सीधा जाने करी चित्तौड़ की साइड में जाना है. चित्तौड़ टाइम लैप्स तो नहीं पाऊँगा लेकिन यही देख लो क्योंकि टाइम लैप्स अगर लेते रहा तो मेरा ही टाइम लैप्स हो जाएगा और मैं पहुँच नहीं पाऊँगा टाइम पे. सिचुएशन इज़ समथिंग लाइक दिस. आई एम वाचिंग द सनराइज हियर ऑन द हाईवे. I feel like I'm on runway, dude. Look at it, man. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 lane highway. But I ain't gonna push it, man, cause I'm a responsible rider. Alright guys, so that side is Tirupati and I'm on Tirupati bypass. So I have reached my first goal for the day. I just stopped to have some roadside snacks. I got this cake. Got my goggles on, called up the hotel guy, had snacks, had water, ready to roll baby. Another 360 kilometers left. अब सीधा मेरा गाड़ी रुकेगा नीलौर जाके. I am back to basic. My phone got switched off because of overheat. Because the heat is too much. So I kept my phone inside my pocket and I just asked one guy in that railway stop which side is Nellore and he told me that you follow me, I'll take you to highway. And I think this is the signboard. Yeah, Nellore. So I have to go this side finally. Oh my god, it's so hot. My phone said F off dude, I will not work. That's why whenever you are doing long distance touring, no, just make sure at least you know the place name, because I know Nellore is 53 kilometers from here now and Ongole is 188. There is nothing much to show. If I see something interesting happening then I'll turn on my camera, otherwise
Yeah, let's go. I'ma make a couple stacks, do exactly what I want to. Mix a couple tracks, get a lady that I'm drawn to. Turn up to the max, get it faded till I'm gone, dude. I do what I want, couldn't stop me if you wanted to. I just work hard, yeah, harder than the rest. Some people say I'm
रुक गया, बहुत गर्मी लग रहा था इधर. So I just stopped here, having some maza, rehydrating myself, and after that I will roll. Another 250 kilometers left, and that's about it. Now I have a bigger problem. प्रॉब्लम क्या है पता है, ये आधे घंटे से ऐसे सन में था मेरा सीट, मेरा सिंहासन। जल गया, जल गया। और आधे घंटे में मेरा बाइक हो चुका है एकदम गरम लोहा। Another 250 kilometers. I had my Red Bull, I had my Mazda. I have enough glucose in my blood, enough caffeine in my blood. Now it's time to tackle this heat and reach our destination.
Yeah, now I'm ready, I'ma blow up. Yeah, I'm impatient, I don't ever
So my bike is fueled, I'm fueled up. I had some dry fruits and water. Feeling fresh. Last 175 kilometers left. Looks like we will reach our destination by 5 max.
grow up. I keep working to the point I throw up. And if you cross me, it was good to know ya. Yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah. I'm not the type to take no for an answer. I don't deal with people that are like a cancer. No, instead I hang with the
What is this? Look at the road, man. NH16. I will remember you for sure. My god, it's not a highway, dude. It's like a runway. Literally, a plane can take off from here. Beautiful.
yeah. And y'all don't even know I am, yeah. And now I'm ready taking over. Cause every day I'm getting closer.
From last 15 kilometers, I'm getting the smell of chili from this truck. And by that you already guessed it, right? Where am I? In Andhra. Guntur is the city of spice. So Guntur is around 23 kilometers from here, and my hotel is about 75ish. Should be reaching within an hour if I keep on riding. But I think I'm gonna stop for some time, take a breather. Last 150 kilometers I didn't stop at all. I was continuously riding. I just want to reach to my hotel, get freshen up, eat some good food, and call it a day.
Promise that I'm gonna make it somewhere. As long as I'm conscious, I'll be working hard to get there.
Wow, look at the town, man. So that's the Vijayawada town in front of me. And this is the Amaravati river that I'm crossing. Right now there is no water.
Nefex is on the rise. Yeah.
Alright guys, finally I'm in my hotel room and the ride is done and dusted. So talking about tomorrow's ride plan. So initially I had a plan that on second day I'll be riding from Vijayawada to Bambhapur, that is Odisha. That is again another 700 kilometers. But then I thought, back to back 700 will be a little hectic for me. Plus I want to have a little bit of fun as well. It's like 5 days I'm going to be continuously riding. So tomorrow I will stop at Visakhapatnam. That's like 270 kilometers from Vijayawada, so not that far as well. I will leave early in the morning, reach Visakhapatnam. I want to visit the Visakhapatnam beach because the place that I took to stay, my guest house, that is near to the RK beach. Whatever it is guys, today's ride was little hectic, but I enjoyed it. Temperature was, oh my god, I should not speak about anything. So all in all, I rode for 12 hours. I did around 650 kilometers and I took only 3 or 4 breaks. I didn't have food, and yeah. So as always, if you are still here watching this video and if you see the subscribe button is in red color, then you know what to do. Hit that subscribe button, make it in grey color. And as always, I will see you whenever I'll see you. You take care of yourself. Till then,